I obey the laws of my family, my community, other families, and communities that are in harmony with the principles of peace and unity. I am law.
In this video series, we again examine issues and concepts related to creating a culture to develop self-love in the Black community, which those who care about the Black community may examine and consider. Today is our third presentation of the universal law or principle called I am law, one of the guiding principles of peace and unity. In our last talk, we explained that living your social life based on universal law is a scientific reality that cannot be avoided, any more than living according to the laws of gravity, physics, chemistry, and thermodynamics can be avoided. We explained the scientific truth that nothing can manifest on earth without understanding and using universal laws operating as its foundation. For example, to build a building, you must know the laws of physics, gravity, and chemistry, and the principles of mathematics. To build a working airplane or spacecraft, you must know and operate by the laws of gravity, physics, metallurgy, and other laws. To bake a cake, you must know the laws of physical materials, thermodynamics, and time. To start a business, you must know the laws of supply and demand, price elasticity, and marketing. You must also have universal laws to create culture and social organization. The problem is that Black people do not have a culture because the universal laws by which we lived and built our civilizations were taken from us during slavery and colonization. The universal laws needed to create culture and social organization are called the guiding principles of peace and unity. I meditate to relax in all situations. I am peace. I bring and keep together the families and communities who live in peace and unity with others. I am unity. I learn how to learn. I am knowledge. I create for myself, my family, and my community. I am power. I obey the laws of my family and community that are in harmony with peace and unity. I am law. I do no harm to my family, other families, or my community. I am protection. I choose the feelings, thoughts, and actions that are in harmony with the principles of peace and unity. I am control. I have fun and work with my family and my community. I am cooperation and harmony. I am careful about what I believe. I accept ideas and beliefs that are in harmony with these guiding principles. I am correct ideas and beliefs. With all my heart, I take care of my family, other families, and communities that are living according to the principles of peace and unity. I am devotion. I keep a clean body. I have clean habits. I eat healthy food. I exercise. I care for my environment and planet. I abuse no substance or drug. I am strength. But the choice to live according to the universal laws of the guiding principles of peace and unity is yours. You have freedom. You have the freedom to ignore or disobey the science of universal social laws, just like you have the freedom to disobey the laws of physical science by walking off the top of a building. But just like the law of gravity will pull you down to injury and death by ignoring the universal social laws, you can pull yourself down to social chaos, corruption, poor health, and economic stagnation. That is our fundamental collective problem. Holding on to backward lifestyles given to us during slavery and colonialism will leave us vulnerable, victims. Some of us will not understand that culture and social organizations is a science. Some of us will understand, but fail to embrace it because we don't know how. Some of us will see these universal laws and realize that we've lived lives in violation of those laws, that we have harmed others and harmed ourselves. Be at peace. We will teach ourselves, correct ourselves, and help each other move forward. The universal laws represented by the guiding principles of peace and unity are your birthright. You were the guiding principles of peace and unity when you came to this earth as a baby born naked. That is why you are truly powerful and more valuable than 1,000,000 bars of gold. The challenges we have faced as individuals and as a collective have made us forget what and who we are, made us forget our true value. The guiding principles of peace and unity are universal laws and a foundation designed to help you remember who and what you are and help you manifest social organization and order, also called culture and civilization. Your ancient ancestors would tell you that it is scientifically rational for you to organize, unify, and progress based upon the universal laws represented by the guiding principles of peace and unity. That is what the principle I am law asks you to do. If you care about the children, women, and men of Black communities, you can use these universal laws. They are a moral, ethical framework that will guide you in your personal and community development by living according to true culture. With the guiding principles of peace and unity as a foundation, culture will 1, prepare you for life, 2, foster your growth, and 3, improve you as a person and as a community. You can always download a copy of all the guiding principles of peace and unity and their violations at our website, thegppu.org. Watch the following video about the I Am Law Award. It will show you why and how to create a culture of self-love based upon the universal principle called I Am Law. You can always watch our previous lessons about the guiding principles of peace and unity on our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube pages. Give us your questions and comments. Until we meet again, do good, do no harm.
Purpose and impact of the award. The purpose of the I Am Law Award is to honor those who are committed to promoting justice and ethical practices. By recognizing these efforts, the award aims to inspire others to engage in legal and ethical advocacy and highlight the transformative impact of justice on community well-being. This award can significantly impact by, number 1, showcasing effective legal and ethical advocacy practices. Number 2, encouraging community members to value and pursue justice and fairness. Number 3, providing recognition and support to legal advocates who often work behind the scenes. And number 4, demonstrating to sponsors the vital role of justice and community empowerment.
Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.